So your plan was to kidnap me?
Yep.
And these kits?
Uh-huh.
It's not kidnapping, these are my kits. So you're saying you want to raise them? No, probably not.
Hey, you! Give me back my kids.
Yeah, give me back my kits. I mean my wife. My... Violet-chan, are they my kits? Which one of these is my wife?
Tawny Pelt is your wife, sir.
That yellow one's my kit, isn't it?
Your granddaughter.
Oh yeah, right. Have you seen Dawn Kit lately?
No... Rowanstar. Help?
Right. Let my wife go, you scoundrel.
Why?
Because I...
Hey babe, what's up?
Oh, nothing really. Just, kidnapping the deputy at Shadow Clan.
See, I was just going hunting, and I was wondering if you needed a mouse or anything. I could pick one up.
Oh, thanks. That would be really helpful, actually. I've been holding Tawny Pelt here for 17 hours.
You deserve it. You work so hard.
Aw, thanks, huh?
Here, take me instead.
Ugh.
Hey, I just wanted to take a second to thank everybody who's been supporting me on Patreon. Without you, I wouldn't be able to do this twice a week, and I wouldn't be able to do this as a full-time job. So, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you who have stuck with me for so long. And also, everybody who's new. Thank you so much for swooping in and saving me from dog grooming. I'm really, really happy.